Have you had a long day? Are your shoulders tight?
Hello everyone, and welcome to ASMR Healer 2. This is the place where we relax, breathe, and learn English in a calm and easy way.
Hello, friends. We are very happy you are here with us today. You can listen at home, in bed, after work, or before sleep.
My name is Sarah.
And my name is David.
Today's topic is very gentle and very important.
Yes, today we are talking about how I relax after a busy day.
Before we start, let's take a deep breath together. Breathe in and breathe out.
Very good. Learning English does not need to be stressful. Here, we learn slowly and naturally.
David, how are you feeling today?
I feel a little tired, to be honest. Today was a busy day.
I understand. Many people listening now feel tired too.
David, let me tell you about my day. I woke up early. I went to work. I had many meetings.
That sounds tiring.
Yes, I answered many emails. I talked to many people. My brain feels full.
So today was a busy day.
Yes, very busy.
Listeners, notice the grammar. David said, I woke up. I went to work. I had meetings. This is past simple tense.
Sarah, when the day ends, what is the first thing you do to relax?
First, I change my clothes.
Ah, comfortable clothes.
Yes, I take off my work clothes. I wear soft clothes.
That is a small thing, but very important.
It tells my body, work is finished. Now it is time to rest.
After that, what do you do?
I make a cup of tea. Warm tea.
Tea is very relaxing.
Yes, I sit on the sofa. I drink my tea slowly.
Do you check your phone?
No, I try not to. I want quiet time.
That is very healthy.
Sarah, what about you? How do you relax after a busy day?
I like simple things. First, I wash my face.
That feels fresh.
Yes. Then I light a candle. The light is soft. The room feels calm.
That sounds peaceful.
Then I sit quietly for a few minutes. I do nothing.
Sarah, have you always relaxed like this? No, I have learned this over time.
Ah, have learned. This is present perfect tense.
Yes, I have tried many ways to relax. Now I know what works for me.
I have also learned to slow down.
Sometimes I listen to soft music. Sometimes I listen to ASMR.
Like this podcast.
Yes, the soft voices help me relax.
Listeners, if you feel tired now, that is okay. You can close your eyes.
Just listen. You are safe. You are calm.
Everyone relaxes in a different way.
Some people read books. Some people take a warm shower. Some people stretch their body.
The important thing is this: you need rest.
Rest is not lazy. Rest is healthy.
Now we have a question for you.
How do you relax after a busy day?
Do you drink tea? Do you listen to music? Do you sleep early?
Write in the comments. Use simple English.
Thank you for listening to ASMR Healer 2.
If this podcast helped you relax, please subscribe.
And share it with someone who feels tired.
We are happy you're here with us.